Meet the ZimaBoard, the all-in-one personal server that's changing how people manage their digital lives. If you're looking for the freedom of self-hosting without needing to be a tech expert, this might just be the product you need. ZimaBoard is a compact, affordable and powerful single-board server designed to give you full control over your own data. Whether it's managing files, streaming media, or even hosting your own website, ZimaBoard makes it easy. As for me, why do I self-host? First, privacy. When you self-host, you keep your own data in your own hands, avoiding third-party servers. Second, customization. With ZimaBoard, you can tailor the apps and software to suit your needs. No compromises. And third, cost savings. Say goodbye to monthly fees for cloud storage and media services. If you want to check out their range, pop over to zimaspace.com and have a look at the ZimaBoard, the ZimaBlade, or even the ZimaCube if you want more of a NAS style solution. That's everything from me. Hopefully I'll catch you guys soon. Stay safe.